What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have two of the same products. Yeah, these are from ACEMAGICIAN. These are ACEMAGICIAN AM06 Pro Mini PCs, and me and my girlfriend here, we both use one of these each. So, well, you may understand how much we love these mini PCs. Okay, before we start checking out these ACEMAGICIAN AM06 Pro Mini PC, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Oh, one more thing, as we always buy our review units, we have to spend a lot of money, so if you care about honest reviews, please consider checking out our membership options.
To my dog, I'm with the leash. Ain't no one holding me back, I'm a beast. Showing them all, falling my teeth. None of them with me in these streets. Ooh, Sky Bree hit me in my DMs. I've been trying to meet up and see ya. I can fly you out to Abu Dhabi with a bad bitch look like Sky Bree. Ooh, right beside me in the phantom off that.
The ACEMAGICIAN AM06 Pro Mini PC stands out with its compact and stylish design, measuring only 5x5x2 inches. This small footprint makes it ideal for saving desk space without sacrificing functionality. The top-mounted power button is easy to access, while the sides and back feature vents for consistent cooling, maintaining stable performance during extended use. On the front panel, the AM06 Pro includes a 3.5mm headphone jack, two USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports, a USB-C port supporting DisplayPort 1.4, so it supports up to 4K 60Hz and 10 gigabit per second data transfer. Also, there is a built-in microphone offering flexible connectivity. The back panel adds HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.4, dual RJ45 LAN ports. One of these supports 2.5G, so network speed isn't an issue. There are two USB-A 2.0 ports for keyboard and mouse, and yeah, there is a USB-C port which is actually for DC input. All these ports together ensures compatibility with various devices and networks. Its efficient design, heat management, and versatile connectivity make it a solid choice for work or entertainment setups. Okay, let's check some synthetic benchmarks and then we'll talk about gaming performance and other features. The ACEMAGICIAN AM06 Pro is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads, with a base clock speed of 1.9 GHz and a maximum boost up to 4.4 GHz. This setup delivers excellent performance for multitasking and resource-intensive tasks. Integrated AMD Radeon graphics ensure smooth operation for both professional workloads and casual use. Well, I need to mention that my AM06 Pro Mini PC comes with 32GB RAM. Yeah, it supports dual channel RAM, so that's really a great thing. But as Thia's one is for entertainment, she has got one with 16GB RAM. So you may choose the one that you prefer. Okay, we are gonna check the benchmark scores now. Okay, benchmarks demonstrate its strong capabilities, with Cinebench R23 scores of 7054 for multi-core and 1195 for single-core performance. Wow, that's really amazing. Now let's do some gaming benchmark. Okay, in the 3D Merc Time Spy test, it scored 1191 overall, with a graphics score of 1048 and a CPU score of 5336. These numbers confirm its ability to handle applications and light gaming efficiently. Storage performance is equally impressive, with Crystal Disk Mark showing read speeds of 3335 MB per second and write speeds of 1735 MB per second. As I've mentioned earlier, my one is equipped with 32GB DDR4 RAM and a 512GB NVMe SSD. This mini PC actually offers seamless multitasking and fast application load times. Well, if you wanna expand your storage, you'll be able to do it by adding a 2.5-inch SSD drive, cause this mini PC already have that port. waiting for you. So expanding storage isn't an issue.
Let's go.
Gaming performance is a highlight of the ACEMAGICIAN AM06 Pro. It delivers solid results for a compact system. Equipped with AMD Ryzen graphics, it supports light to mid-range gaming effortlessly. Popular titles like CS2 and GTA 5 run at consistent frame rates, ensuring a smooth gaming experience even with extended play. For cloud gaming, the AM06 Pro's Wi-Fi 6 and 2.5G LAN connectivity offer stable and low latency performance, ideal for multiplayer sessions and fast-paced action games. The ability to connect up to three 4K displays through HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C creates an immersive gaming or multitasking experience. This mini PC definitely isn't built to compete with high-end gaming rigs, but performs admirably for casual gaming and media consumption. Its efficient cooling system prevents overheating, maintaining steady performance, and keeping noise levels low during gaming sessions. Yeah, it's an advantage that it comes with Windows 11 pre-installed. And another thing I like about this brand, ACEMAGICIAN, they always offer very good after-sales support. They have a very good customer support team, so if there is an issue, they will always provide all the good support. I've been using another ACEMAGICIAN mini PC for almost 2 years now, and yeah, it's been performing like a beast from the day one. When I have tried to upgrade the RAM, I had an issue, and the customer team has helped me a lot and fixed the issue within a few hours. Actually, I didn't know which RAM to buy to upgrade the RAM, and it was fixed very quickly. Well, that's all about this ACEMAGICIAN AM06 Pro Mini PC. As I have mentioned at the beginning, me and my girlfriend Thea, we both are in love with these mini PCs. We have two of these here, and we are planning to order more for our workmates. Well, if you are looking for an affordable yet very powerful mini PC, then you should check this ACEMAGICIAN AM06 Pro Mini PC. I have left a link in the description box, go ahead check the product. But before you go, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. If possible, join the channel membership, cause truly that will help us a lot.
Scary, ooh, right beside me, in the phantom off that, yeah, Abu Dhabi, with a bad look like Scary, ooh, right beside me, in the phantom off that, yeah.